Hey guys, so welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. This is another week of NaNoWriMo. So this is day 10 and I'm currently uploading day 3 to 9, which will be up today. So if you get this video, go ahead and watch the previous ones. And I am almost at 20K. So today I already got over 1K right that I did this morning. And so he'll definitely be over the 20K today. So I'm on track. I'm like 5 days ahead based on what NaNoWriMo says. But I want to be a little bit more, but this way I can have freedom to do stuff later. Also, my schedule is flexible right now, which I'm happy about. I have a lot of time. So I will have a lot of days off, especially in another week. I will have an entire actually 10 days off, so I'll have really a lot of time to really dedicate to this. I'm loving the story, loving where I'm heading, and there's the juicy parts that I can't wait to get to, but I'm out on the chapters where I'm building up the characters relationship and creating the storyline before I get to the other stuff. So yeah, also I need to finally clean my deck. Yeah, finally let it go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. And I need to sweep it off. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And yeah, that's about it for today. Yeah. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so this is day number 12, and I'm literally, I feel like I'm a little behind because yesterday was not a good writing day. I think I only had like 1100, and which was like my lowest count for the day. So since I've been doing this, but I was really tired, and I'm still kind of tired, but I know I have some time coming up. I do have a 3-day weekend, and then the following week for Thanksgiving week I'm off like 10 days, so I'll definitely have some free time to really dedicate, because I'm a night a night writer, or super early in the morning writer. Just something I noticed in the last 2 years. That's just how I've been, and it's still showing now that I will start writing in the evenings when it's starting to get dark, or super early in the morning. And when I'm off, I'm up late at night writing, and it's just that's the mood I like to write in. But I'm working on it and on getting into the story. I really loving where I'm taking it, and I hope to keep the momentum where I can end it when it's time to end it, because that's always been my issue, where I'm in the moment loving it, but when I get to the end I'm like, how the hell am I ending this story that I would like, and not wanting to change 50 million times, but I'm liking the process, and I'm hanging in there, and hope to get to 30K soon. That's the goal. 30K, that's the next mark. Yeah, so about to go eat something. Hey guys, so today is day 13. So I slept all damn day, guys. I'm off the next for 3 days. So today was my first day off, and I was so happy. Slept all damn day. But I'm not mad about it. Absolutely not. But it's gonna be a late start today, so I'm probably not gonna get a lot of words in before midnight because I haven't ate anything. And I am editing tomorrow's video, and I gotta upload it as well. So anyway, so this is my little sticky paper, guys, that I put each day. So now I'm up to 23, something like that. And then I have over here, this is where it's the software I use to edit. So this is the Man Booker video that I'm talking about, all 6 books that I read. So it's almost there. It's like 74%. Then I will upload it to YouTube. So this is our edit software I use to edit. And so yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm going to do my journal for the day. And guys, I did start reading this, but I'm not going to talk about it in this video because it's strictly NaNoWriMo. But yeah, this is where I'm at with this. Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to try to get something to eat, and I gotta pack up all my equipment because I literally just recorded, and all the lights and camera and stuff is in up here, so I'm gonna put those away and start writing. But yeah, so it's another day. Loving my story. Yesterday I had to write a very sexy scene, and I was blushing writing and somewhat embarrassed writing because I'm like, oh my god, I'm putting this out there. I'm really writing this scene right now. It is definitely not PG. So, but I did it. And I think my book is gonna feel like a slow burn, but it's not. It's gonna feel like a slow burn. And I don't really like writing romance where it's just bam, things are happening. This took a while to get there. So I'm happy about that, Yeah. Anyway, until next. Guys, clothes, DIY project. As if I have time, but can't help myself. I'm out here with my mother on a Saturday, as usual. She gets me out here every Saturday now. She better enjoy for another week before she goes home. Hey, mother. She said no camera time for her. Say, hey, mother.
Somebody want to kiss
me? Look at her mask, guys. She's so proud. She's so proud of her mask.
You want to kiss me?
Mwah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end today's vlog here, well, this week's vlog here. It is Monday. I hit the 30K this morning. I started writing. I only have about 1,300 so far. Definitely gonna be writing more, but I want to end the video because I want to start working on editing this, so it could be up tomorrow. I'm hoping that I could get it up Tuesday. If not, it probably won't be up till Wednesday, because the editing is long. It takes a while, and that's like a few hours though that I could be doing some writing that I'm editing. So I think for the next ones, Actually, it won't be so bad because the next ones I'm on vacation, so I'll have more time to edit. But I think I might split next week up into 2 vlogs. This way it won't be so long and it'll be easier to edit and upload. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. But for right now, I'm missing a cafe. The coffee shop is definitely I'm going through withdrawal. Because it's just not the same sitting at home writing all the time. I actually switched up a couple of positions this time. I did actually last night. I wrote in another part of the house. This morning early, I wrote in. Oops. My alarm clock. And then this morning I was in the bed when I write, and I don't really like writing in bed because I tend to want to sleep after like a few minutes, but for some reason I did get 1,000 words in bed, so I'm not mad about that. But yeah, I'm not, man, I miss my coffee shop. I have not written anything over 3K. The closest I got was 2,700, and when I'm in a coffee shop, easily I was hitting the 3Ks like multiple times. If I looked at my last year NaNoWriMo, you can definitely see it. And this time around, it's like I'm struggling just to even hit the 2K a day. And, you know, so, man, yeah, I'm getting used to this writing at home and only home. It's something I'm struggling with, guys. So I don't know how you guys are doing, but yeah. But thanks for watching, guys, and hang in there. We're almost there. So, yeah.